Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to show you a gorgeous 1974 Mustang Mach 1 Fastback. Now, this car has a 351 engine and an automatic transmission. Power steering. This car has black bucket seats with factory center console. Firestone Firehawk raised white letter tires with the original wheels on this car. Now this car is very, very nice, clean, driver quality car. Is it perfect? No, it's not perfect. But the price on this car is not going to be perfect money either. So this car is very nice. It's original Calypso Coral car. I do have the Marty report in the back. I'll go through that with you here in just a little bit. I'll go around and show you just a few things in the car. It does have a small ding right here, as you can kind of, I don't know if you can really see it in that video or not, but it does have a small ding right here. Just a little door ding, probably could be taken out. It's got a little crack right here in the paint. No, that wasn't nothing. Door handle's got just a little bit of pitting on them, and just like this molding here has a little bit on it. All the glass is in good shape. There's no cracks or breaks that I see. The stainless around the windows is in good shape. All the cladding on the bottom of the car is in good shape. The chrome front bumper and rear bumper are both in good shape. Very nice, clean, quality driver 70 Mach 1. See the back bumper there, it's in good condition as well. Power steering has been gone through on this car, had a new pump on it, new lines on the rack. So the interior's in nice shape on the car. Your wood grain console, automatic, AM/FM stereo. 51,000 miles in the car. We believe those miles would be accurate. The gentleman we bought the car from, he said the same thing. He thought the miles were correct on the car. Obviously, it's an old car, so we can't prove that, but if you're looking for a Calypso Coral 70 Mach 1 that you're not going to spend 75, 80 grand on, then this car will work perfect for you. It's a very nice driver quality car. There's the Marty report on this car and the original window sticker. And nice to have that. Car cover for the car. Inside the trunk looks nice. I'll start her up for you. This car will not last. This car is going to be priced probably in the low 40s, 42.9. This car will not last. I don't even know if it lasts through the weekend if I actually get it advertised in time. Tail lights, turn signal, marker lights. Beautiful color, Calypso Coral. Hard to find color on these Mach 1s. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kenyonauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So if you're interested in buying this beautiful Calypso Coral Mustang, give us a call. Or maybe one of the other cars that we have in stock, just feel free to give us a call. We'd be glad to talk to you about our cars. Please Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality collector car from Kenyon Classics. I really appreciate everyone watching the videos, and I hope you all have a great